This is a simple yet effective guide for students to make high quality pancakes as a dessert or as a light snack when feeling peckish. To begin with, gather your ingredients, which must consist of 2 eggs, 4 ounces of plain flour, 4 ounces of milk and 4 ounces of water. A lemon and caster sugar are also recommended to enhance the flavour of the pancakes. Once your ingredients are ready, pour the 4 ounces of water into a bowl, shortly followed by adding the milk and flour, then mix with a whisk for 3 minutes. Turn the gas to a high flame and put half the mixture into a pan. Place the pan on the hob until the mixture becomes solid and resembles the correct appearance of a typical pancake. Then flip it and do the same. Do this for the other half of the mixture and put the 2 pancakes onto a plate when ready. Whilst the pancakes are cooling, if you chose to add a lemon, chop it into quarters and squeeze evenly on both pancakes. Additionally, if you have your caster sugar at the ready, sprinkle on top. Maybe some of you were feeling adventurous and brought some sort of spread to the party. If you did, go ahead and spread a suitable amount of the product on both pancakes. Now you can finally indulge yourself in the product. Whether your method of eating is with a knife and fork or with your hands only, you're sure to love this delicious snack. Next time, why not double down and make a housemate some as well as yourself? Regardless of your choice, enjoy!